Good evening, friend. Today's date is 22 November 2021, and today's video topic is constructor. Before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadharamge. I am from Latur. I have completed my engineering from Pune University in 2017. 5 members in my family, including me, and my hobbies are playing cricket. So let's start today's topic. Constructor. Constructor is a nothing but it is a special method which is a same name as a class name. It does not have written any value, and when we create an object, constructor get automatically called. There are basically when we does not create a constructor, by default JVM create a constructor. When we create a constructor and JVM does not create any constructor. There are two type of the constructor, non-parameterized constructor and parameterized constructor. Let's see the one by one what is mean by parameterized constructor or non-parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor, which are does not have any parameter, that constructor is called as non-parameterized constructor. Basically, constructor are used to initialize the instant variable by using this keyword, and it is used to create a new instantiate the object. These are the uses of the constructor. Basically, constructor does not have any written any value. Explicitly it does not return any value, but implicitly it is written the reference variable address of that object. And the second one is a parameterized constructor which has which are used as a parameter in a simple bracket. It is called as parameterized constructor. These are we can overload the constructor. We can use different constructor in a same class, such as parameterized to non-parameterized constructor we can use in a class. Constructor can have a access modifier such as public, private, protected, default, and it cannot have non-access modifier such as static, synchronized, final, and abstract. It cannot be a non-access modifier. And constructor in constructor we cannot use both super and this keyword. We can only use one keyword in a constructor at the time of the first line. And constructor are used to create a new object and initialize the instant variable in class. Let's see the example of the constructor is, suppose student is a class. In that student, initially instant variable are string to name and int roll number. And when we create a constructor, parameterized constructor, in that parameter string name and int roll number. When we create an object like student s equal to new student, and when we pass the parameter at the time creating the object of that student class, at that time the local variable value of that roll number we pass at a constructor, and this local variable value is initialized to the instant variable. So these are the uses of the constructor. Thank you.